Well, hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the Plusmart 6 outlet adapter. This is it right here. And I got this because I need some more plugs. I need to have an electrician come in, and I just haven't had time to call him. And I know he's been busy, but I'm going to call him and put some more extra plugs in. But this is from my art room, and I got this because I needed it, because I need to have more plugs. So this is, I'm going to take it out. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. I am doing fine. I'm just trying to get my art room together. So this is what I got. Got two of these. It has a little light on. Is that? And this up here is the light that's on. And I guess it tells you that it's working. These are the plugs in the back. I can make this sideways. This one. And this one's the same. There's nothing to plug it in up here. I hope to remedy that real soon and have the plug closer up. But these are, and again, there's 6. And these are the Plusmart. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will have all of the information for you in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.